Hello, I'm Jannis from the Student Service Center. In this video, I would like to introduce our examination portal. In German, it's called Prüfungsportal. The main features of our examination portal are the registration for exams and viewing your academic records. To access the examination portal, you can go through our website or through the web browser. Unfortunately, the Prüfungsportal is not available in English yet. Once you enter the portal, you'll already see some features that are available without logging in. One of them is the link to StudIP, our learning platform for classes. Under Vorlesungsverzeichnis, you'll find the course catalog for classes and lectures. In the section Studienverwaltung, you can find all documents regarding your enrollment and further. We've created a separate video for that. Dokumentenverifikation is the document verification that allows you to check whether a transcript or academic record is genuine. Under the tab Studiengänge, you'll find all study programs offered by the University of Rostock. You can search for your program here. To do this, choose Aktuell Immatrikulation. Let me show you an example by using the bachelor program in Business Administration, Betriebswirtschaftslehre. In the filters, select Degree Bachelor and Subject Business Administration, Betriebswirtschaftslehre. Then click on Start Search, Suche starten. Now the program description opens. Here you will find all basic information about your study program. We recommend that you download your study and exam regulations, Prüfungs- und Studienordnung in German, at the beginning of your studies. You need them throughout your entire degree. At the bottom of the page, you'll find all modules included in the program. In our example, we choose the module Introduction to Business Administration, Einführung in die Betriebswirtschaftslehre. We copy the module number and remember this for the next step. In the module catalog, Modulverzeichnis, you can view detailed information about a module. I'll now enter the module number and click Start Search. The system will show the module information including course offered this semester and links to the course catalog. The most important information for planning your semester is the workload for the module and the form of examination. The most important functions are available after logging in. To log in, use your username and password. You receive these details in your welcome email after the successful enrollment. In the tab Module Catalog, Modulverzeichnis and Degree Program Studiengänge are the same as shown before. But now the most important section is the Exam Management area, Prüfungsverwaltung. Under Module Registration, Modulanmeldung, you can register for exams. Please read the information text carefully and click Accept, Akzeptieren to continue. Then your study program, Studiengang, will appear along with the related modules. Find the module in which you want to take the exam. In this example again, Introduction to Business Administration, Einführung in die Betriebswirtschaftslehre. Now you will see the detailed information about the exam. If you are within the registration period, a button will appear here allowing you to register for the exam. Back in the Prüfungsverwaltung section, under Angemeldete Prüfungen, Registered Exams, you will see a list of all the exams you are currently registered for. Since we are currently outside of the registration period, this table is empty. Under Leistungsübersicht, Academic Records, you will find a list of all the exams and courses you have completed. You can save and print this as a PDF document in German or English by clicking on the flag. In the section E-Mail-Benachrichtigung, email notifications, you can choose whether you want to receive emails about changes in the exam portals. We recommend that you activate this option by clicking Yes, Ja, so you stay informed for updates regarding your exams. For your data security, please make sure to log out at the end of your session. Those were the main functions of our examination portal. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at the Student Service Center or your examination office. I wish you good luck with your studies.